Hello dear children. In this session we are going to discuss how we can separate soluble solids from their solution. Do you know what is a soluble solid? Solid substances that dissolve completely in a liquid to form their solution are called soluble solids. Example: salt, sugar, etc. Soluble solids can be separated by evaporation and distillation. I'll repeat, soluble solids can be separated from their solution by using evaporation and distillation. Already in lower classes you have learned what is evaporation. Evaporation is the process of conversion of liquid into its vapor form at a temperature below its boiling point. I repeat, evaporation is the process of conversion of liquid into its vapor at a temperature below its boiling point. Let us see how it is done. In this method, the solution is heated. The liquid evaporates, leaving behind the soluble solids dissolved in it as a residue. Example: evaporation is used to obtain common salt from seawater. Seawater contains a large amount of dissolved salt in it. Seawater, it is collected in shallow pits and allowed to stand in the sunlight for few days. The seawater gets evaporated, leaving behind the dissolved salt present in it. This salt obtained is then purified to get the common salt. I hope everyone understood how common salt is obtained from seawater. The second method, it is known as distillation. Distillation is the process by which a pure liquid is obtained from their solution by evaporating and then condensing the vapors obtained. I repeat, distillation is the process by which a pure liquid is obtained from their solution by evaporating and then condensing the vapors obtained. Let us see what is the process involved in it. In this method, the liquid is heated so that the liquid evaporates. As the liquid evaporates, the vapors are formed and the vapors are passed through a condenser where they are cooled to form the pure liquid. The pure liquid thus obtained is known as distillate. I'll repeat once again. The solution is heated and the vapors are formed. The vapors are passed through a condenser where they get cooled to get the liquid. The pure liquid thus obtained, it is known as distillate. Distillation is the process used to obtain distilled water which is used in the laboratories. Condenser, it is an apparatus which helps in condensation. Do you know what is condensation? Condensation is the process of conversion of vapor into its liquid form at a temperature below its boiling point. I repeat, condensation is the process of conversion of vapor into its liquid form at a temperature below its boiling point. The next topic is how we can separate two immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids means that does not dissolve completely. Those liquids that does not dissolve completely. Example, oil and water. Immiscible liquids can be separated by using separating funnel. I repeat, immiscible liquids can be separated by using separating funnel. This method is done based on the differences in the densities of the liquid. Heavier liquid will settle below in the separating funnel, which is drained out first, and the lighter one second.
Let us see how a mixture of oil and water is separated using a separating funnel. Mixture of oil and water is poured into a separating funnel, and it is shaken vigorously so that the mixture gets separated and forms two layers. This method is based on the differences in the density of liquid. Water is denser than oil, so heavier liquid settles at the bottom, which is drained out first. Oil is less denser than water, so forms a layer on the top, and it is drained out second.
I hope you understood how we can separate two immiscible liquids. Hope everyone understood today's session. Thank you.